Hi everyone, this is Mileta and about project management and more. Today we will continue talking about how to control a project, and this is controlling project part 2. Some 15-20 years ago we project managers gradually stopped managing only one project. We were getting more and more. And it's a normal thing today that you have 6, 7, 8 projects that you need to manage in parallel. And if you have a trouble with so-called context switch, that means switching from one project to another, you need to look deeper into the way how you think and how you organize your work. Because today's reality is you as a project manager, you are going to manage multiple projects. If you are not able to have a solid context switch from one topic to another, and you are becoming frustrated because of that, that's annoying your environment, and you should not show that. So, compartmental thinking is not applicable these days. You need to be able to go from one compartment to another without any warning. That's our reality today. So we will be talking right now a little bit more how to actually help yourself in managing multiple projects. Many of us are not in situation to have some fancy project management tools where you have all the projects in front of you with all the resources, except maybe the Gantt chart and the schedule. But that's sufficient. What do you need is some kind of note on your screen all the time with a list of all the projects that you have. And within all the projects, you must write down all the threads of activities you have. So if you have a project with 4 different threads, so you will have a project name and 4 different threads that you write down. And what you are going to write beside the names of those threads, you will write down the task that's currently on in each of these threads and what is the next task. So without checking your schedule on every 5 minutes, you can remind yourself quickly where you are. The next group of reminders will be your team, your resources, your assignments, because people in your team usually work on multiple projects. So you need to synchronize when they can do certain things on different projects. So for each of your resources, you should write down what that person is working on and what is priority. And those resources will ask you the same question. What are my priorities? I have 5 projects. Where to start? Well, you need the reminder for yourself. In that way, switching from one project to another doesn't have to be so complicated. So, list all the projects with all the threads within the project. One project, second, third. And then list below that all your resources. And Joe is working on this, this, and this. So you can immediately answer a question to your supervisors. What projects are on, what is the situation on each of these projects. So just glancing into that piece of paper on your screen, that note. And you can answer to your resources when they're asking, what is my next task? Should I continue with this or should I switch? And of course, every situation on project is dynamic and changes all the time. So you update your list and you'll be okay with all the reminders. Today we were talking how to improve control of the project, part 2, where we were talking about adding a simple tool to remind yourself where you are with all those activities on the project. And to make your context switch easier from one compartment to another. And you can answer quickly to any question from your supervisor, steering committee, and sponsors. And of course you can answer from any question from your resources what to do next. Of course all these assignments are based on the schedule, but we talked about the schedule earlier. So have a good day and hope to see you soon. Bye.